Okay, this assignment is number 2, Education Across Cultures, and this is the story of Malala, which you may have heard of Malala. This is a pretty easy assignment, and I think it will be interesting for you. So first, the assignment is to read the article and watch the video, and you need to do both in order to answer the questions correctly. So there are only 6 questions, and they are based off these 2 sources. So the first is an article, a biography about Malala, and the second is a video, a very short video about Malala. So make sure you do both. You can have them open while you're doing the questions. I think that's always best when you're trying to get the right answer. You know, use the document or use the source to make sure you find the right answer. Don't just look at it once or skim it or look at the first paragraph and then expect to know the right answer. So definitely use both sources and let me know if you have any questions. That's it. It's a pretty easy one.